Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best air conditioner filter is probably one of the most overlooked components in your RV's climate control system, but it plays a crucial role in maintaining air quality and the efficiency of your AC unit. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of RV air filters, exploring why they're essential, how to choose the right one, and how to keep your RV's air clean and your AC running smoothly, so you can enjoy comfortable travels. Number 5. AQUA CREST RV Water Filter, Clean Water on the Go. This AQUA CREST filter is NSF certified, a trusted choice for campers. It uses KDF and activated carbon to reduce chlorine, bad taste, and odor, ensuring refreshing water. It doesn't reduce water spots caused by air-dried minerals. The filter comes with a premium hose protector that rotates 360 degrees. It has anti-rust copper heads and a silicone gasket to prevent leaks. This ensures the filter's longevity and ease of use. This filter undergoes rigorous testing, including water pressure and pulse tests, to guarantee its firmness. It reduces corrosion and harmful substances, ensuring your water is safe. These tests are performed by a third-party lab. Installing this filter is a breeze, taking only about 5 minutes without tools. It attaches to any standard 3/4 GHT water hoses. The ergonomic design makes it easy to handle. This durable filter lasts for 3 months, providing clean water throughout your camping season. It's also great for car washing and gardening. The activated carbon is made from natural coconut shells. What we like. This filter is NSF certified, ensuring you get safe and clean water. It effectively reduces bad taste and odor, making every sip refreshing. If you are looking for a reliable water filter that is easy to install and provides peace of mind, you should consider this. What people say. Easy install. Worked well for my needs. I use these for my motor home. They work great and are very easy install. Great filters for our RV's water hookup. Filters water, giving a great taste, and no worries about drinking it. Number 4. WEHOPE RV AC Grille Replacement for Dometic. Is your RV's air conditioning grill looking worn out? This replacement is the perfect solution. It's designed to refresh your system and improve its performance. This grill is a direct replacement for the Dometic 3,104,928.019 model. It's designed to fit seamlessly, ensuring your AC unit functions optimally. This will be a great choice. The primary function of this grill is to redirect air and protect your air conditioning system. It prevents large objects from entering, ensuring the longevity of your unit. Maintaining this grill is simple. The filter can be easily cleaned with water, removing any accumulated dirt. This allows you to maintain clean air. Regularly replacing the filter will significantly increase the efficiency and lifespan of your air conditioning unit. This ensures that the system runs smoothly. Installing this air conditioner grill is easy. You can replace your old or broken grill without any complex tools. It saves you both time and energy. What we like. This product is designed for easy maintenance, allowing you to clean and reuse the filter. It also redirects air efficiently, protecting your air conditioning system. If you are looking for a simple and effective way to maintain your RV's air conditioning, this is the one. What people say. Great replacement and fit just right. Perfect fit to replace cover in our Mini Winnie. Easy to install and easy to remove for cleaning. Fits snug but is a direct replacement. Number 3. Mission Automotive RV AC Filter Replacement Pads. Introducing the Mission Automotive RV AC Filter Replacement Pads. These filters are designed to enhance your RV's air quality. They are a must-have for any RV enthusiast. These filters are made from durable PPI filtration foam, which means they are washable and reusable. This design ensures continuous use and optimal performance for your RV's air conditioning system. These filters are compatible with Dometic Duotherm models. Measuring 14 by 7.5 inches, they provide a seamless replacement experience. You can easily cut them to your desired size. Crafted from quality materials, these filters withstand wear and tear while maintaining effective air filtration. They deliver consistent performance for your camper, ensuring clean air. Each package includes 2 replacement filters, giving you a spare. Whether you're on the road or at home, these filters are an essential part of your RV accessories. What we like. These filters are washable and reusable, offering long-term value. Made from durable PPI foam, they ensure effective air filtration. If you like a cost-effective and environmentally friendly solution for your RV's air conditioning, you should consider this. What people say. A little big, but I was able to cut it down and it is working very well. EQ replacement for my RV AC. I found there was no filter in the AC. I was worried I might never find a match, but to my surprise Amazon had these Mission Automotive filters for my Dometic AC system that are a perfect fit and are easy to install. I feel much better knowing that the system won't get clogged with dust and pollen. I'm very happy with my purchase. Number 2. BougeRV RV AC Air Filters, 4-pack. This package includes 4 air conditioner filters. They are designed to keep your RV's air clean and fresh. These filters effectively remove dirt and pollen. This helps maintain a clean RV interior and protects your air conditioning system. Installing these filters is simple and doesn't require any trimming. You can quickly and easily improve your RV's air quality. The filters are 7 mm thick with a 50 ppi rating. This design provides superior filtration compared to thinner filters. These filters are compatible with duotherm models. They are a perfect replacement for your existing filters. What we like. This product effectively filters dirt and pollen, keeping your RV interior clean. It is also easy to install and use without any trimming. If you are looking for an easy-to-use filter to improve your RV's air quality, you should consider this. What people say. They fit perfect and work great. Perfect size for our RV AC, so easy to just put in and go. They aren't too thick. I got the 4-pack and love that these can be used by cleaning them a few times they replace. Great airflow so far. Made very well. With a clean filter, this no longer happens. And these fit our Dometic perfectly. They can of course be cut to fit as well. Number 1. Filter Everything RV Air Conditioner Carbon Filter 2-pack. This is a carbon filter designed for your RV air conditioner. It helps to keep the air inside your RV clean and fresh while you travel. This filter is specifically designed to fit Coleman RV air conditioners with the part number 6703 to 3303. It ensures a perfect fit for optimal performance. The carbon filtration performance helps to reduce odors and airborne particles. This will provide you with cleaner, fresher air inside your RV. Each filter measures 16-inch by 5-inch x 1/4-inch to match OEM specifications. This ensures a secure and effective fit for your air conditioner. The package includes 2 carbon filters. This provides extended maintenance cycles and offers added value for your purchase. This product is proudly made in the USA. It is manufactured with high-quality materials for dependable performance. What we like. This filter uses carbon filtration to reduce odors and airborne particles. It is made in the USA, ensuring quality and dependability. If you like a filter that provides cleaner, fresher air while traveling, you should consider this. What people say. These were a perfect fit for my classic Coleman Mach air conditioner. They can be cleaned multiple times before eventually becoming tattered. Fit great in my 1987-built Coleman RV roof AC unit. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.